everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Facebook dating not showing. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook dating not showing, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Then here in this page, you will go to click for stop. After that, you will enter to storage. Then here you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end all this stuff, here as you see, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.